Alright, here we are. Welcome to the end of the year clean with me. I am going to rearrange the plants out here in the front because as you see, the plants on the ground gets trashed, and just in general the tree just trashes the whole collection outside. So it'd be easier for me to have all of the plants off of the ground so that I'm able to rake and blow underneath the shelving and get all of the tree mess out of this area on a weekly basis. It's an ongoing thing that I can't get away from. So I was trying to not have so many shelves in the front to look like a crazy plant person, but the plants in the patio and in the front of the house, it is what it is. They get trashed. So I'm going to take away all of the plants, and I shared that in previous clean with me's, and then we're going to rearrange the shelf. And if I can mimic what I did here on the right of it with this, what I have here from the patio, that would be ideal. I'm trying to not take it all the way to my door there on the right. So here. Here we go, quick overview of what the damage is after I remove all of the plants, and every single plant is trashed from the tree. It is so frustrating and it's never gonna go away. So as you see, look at the amount of trash there is that's just piled in and between and under the plants. It's so crazy. And if I can get all of the plants off of the ground, I will be able to rake and blow underneath the shelving on a weekly basis to help out the plants from getting super trashed. So what I'm gonna do is clean out this area, and then I'm going to build more additional shelves on the right of it. Grandma's going in with the rake. So crazy. Craziness. So I'm going to mirror the top two shelves on the right, and that should be easy for the rake to get under. Now that Grandma cleared out this whole section with the trash, as you see, it's a crazy pile, and that's just what was on the ground, not including all in the plants. I'm trying to match up the brick size because there's two types of bricks here. The one that was in my patio is bigger, so I'm trying to even it out. So I'm slowly working it, but this is going to be kind of what the skeleton of it's going to look like. I need to now build the second shelves in front. Alright, and here we are. This is what we're gonna work with. Hopefully this will be a lot easier to clean up after the tree. I'll be able to get the rake underneath the shelves, and hopefully it'll be better for the plants. So here we go. Time to clean each single plant, because as you see, they're totally trashed. Every single one of them is trashed from the tree, which is super sad to see. And then we're gonna slowly style them back to get them off of the ground. So far I have these two here. I'm gonna try to work with the larger pieces first and then fill in the rest with the smaller baby.